And that's what I did. I downloaded the app to the phone, and then I bought these. $2.99 over spot. Let's take a look how they... Hello everybody, this is Seismic Sales. Thanks for watching. Today's video, we're gonna do a little opening. Let me cover my address. From APMEX, APMEX. I ordered 1 ounce silver bars using the app only. And if you use the app to buy these silver bars from APMEX, you're gonna get $2.99 over spot. We do have a special guest today. He's waiting for me to open up his package that he ordered without my knowledge. But let's get to this video first. $2.99 over spot. Let's take a look how they... I think spot at the time was... Oh, so that's $3, right? So I think spot was $24 or something like that. Kershaw. He's waiting to open up his package that he ordered. He ordered it, not me. From APMEX. It's a Beskar bar. Don't be messing with my stuff. But first we're going to go through these. Okay, put that over here. Let me see. So basically, I did another FOMO. My unit price was $28.54, right? And not $27. I did not get to the $2.99 over spot because I paid with a credit card. If I would have paid with a credit card, I would have gotten $2.99 over spot. So here you go. I ordered 5 of them. Really shiny. 5 1-ounce silver bars. How's that look? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, I screwed up. I didn't get the $2.99 spot price. They were really nice. Let's see how this one looks. I need to buy square capsules. 1 choin ounce, $9.99 fine silver. They measure 2 inches. 2 by, I guess 1 and 1/4, 1 1/8. The magnet test everyone talks about. There you go. Here you go. I trust APMEX. Okay. Okay, here's a close-up. Says American Precious Metal Exchange, 1 troy ounce. I think there's an eagle there. I don't know what he's eating. What is that eagle eating? There goes some stars. 1 troy ounce, $9.99 fine silver. American Precious Metals Exchange. Oh, that's what APMEX means. I didn't know. Flip it over. APMEX. Oh, there it is. Now, when you zoom in, I don't have my glasses on, but now I know. Okay. Never really paid attention to it because I'm a noob. Fine. I really want to open one of these. Should I open it up? Okay, let's see. All right, we'll open it up. Before I open it up, if you guys like what you see and you want to follow us, you want to see what's in his Beskar box that Grogu ordered, please like and subscribe. It really helped me and Grogu out. Thank you very much. Hold on. Don't want to scratch it. And then go across. Ooh, sorry, did I hit you in the face? Ooh, sorry, did I hit you in the face? Okay, here it goes. Yeah, it's there is some spotting on it. I can see some spotting, but it is shiny. I guess because I'm a new stacker, I really like stuff that shines. Maybe it'll go away after a while. That feeling of just being in awe with the silver, the shininess. Look how thin it is. Wow, that's awesome. Grogs went to the back and he found a bunch of squares that I ordered and I totally forgot. So we're gonna open all of these up and put them in the squares. So let's do that right now. Is that a good idea? Do you guys keep your bars in the plastics or do you put them in capsules? Let me know. I am totally noob. I do not know what I'm doing. I think Grog just wants me to hurry up so we can get to his package. And I'm thinking I want to take off my glove and just feel it, you know. So let's fast forward. If I could, maybe I'll fast forward the video so you don't have to watch me cut open. There you go. Maybe I'll keep that sticker. Now we could look at each one. There's 4 of them on the floor. Okay. Thanks for finding the squares, bro. Looks nice. Yeah, it does not feel smooth. It's like you can cut yourself. Is it bendable? No. These are awesome. Like I said, I think it's just the shininess I'm attracted to, and maybe it will go away after a few months because I am a new stacker, still learning. Did I make the right decision? Should I have left it in the plastic? Is there a test for these? How does this sound? Everyone does that sound test. Try it again. Oops. I have no idea how it's supposed to sound. I think over time, I will know. And if I were to rub it out, that make it more shiny. Yeah, they look okay. Okay, so each bar has the same feeling. Oh, this one does have a let's zoom in. Has a nick. Can you see it? Yeah, right there. I don't know. Did I just do that? I don't know. There's a scratch. This is a really good close-up. I want to show you guys everything on these APMEX app-only purchase. You need the app to buy these. To get a $2.99 over spot. But you got to use your check card or wire transfer or whatever. Don't use a credit card because they'll charge you more. Okay. Oops. Let's zoom out. Hey, you guys. Once again, thanks for all your subscribes. Thanks for all your comments. Next is that guy. I'm going to put these away. Please, if you want to follow me and you want to see the opening of the Beskar, I know he does, please like and subscribe. This is Seismic Sales and Grogu. He's so cute, boy.